If you're looking to dive into the world of AI and want to know the 7 crucial things you need to know about Prepair.dev, you've landed in the right place. This newly released AI software is shaking things up, and in this video, we're going to break down exactly why it's getting so much attention. I'll also share with you how you can try it completely free through the first link below. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to decide whether Prepair.dev is the tool that will supercharge your workflow. So, what makes Prepair.dev stand out from the crowd of AI tools flooding the market? First, it's all about simplicity and power. Prepair.dev brings AI capabilities to the table without overwhelming you with complex setups or steep learning curves. If you've used other AI tools and felt bogged down by confusing interfaces, you're going to love how intuitive Prepair.dev is. The second thing you need to know is its plug-and-play flexibility. Unlike some AI tools that focus on just one niche or use case, Prepair.dev offers versatility that can be applied across a range of industries. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, this AI tool has functionalities that will speed up your day-to-day tasks and improve your efficiency. Now, a crucial aspect to consider with any new AI tool is data privacy. Prepair.dev takes this seriously. With so many AI solutions out there, it's vital to know that your data is handled securely. Prepair.dev uses top-notch encryption and ensures your personal information stays private. This is especially important if you're integrating it into your business workflow. If you're worried about integration, don't be. Prepair.dev is built to easily integrate with existing platforms. Whether you're already using other AI tools or productivity apps, Prepair.dev allows you to seamlessly sync and use data from these platforms without breaking a sweat. Another huge benefit of Prepair. Dev is its collaborative features. If you're working with a team, you'll appreciate how it allows multiple users to collaborate in real time, sharing insights and optimizing workflows together. The ability to work as a group within the same AI framework is a game changer for productivity. Let's talk about the Khan learning curve. Or should I say, lack of it. Prepair.dev's interface is designed for both beginners and experienced users. You won't have to spend hours learning how to use it. It's straightforward, yet it packs the power of more advanced tools. Now, you may be wondering, does Prepair.dev have the customization options that other tools might lack? Absolutely. It allows you to tailor the AI's features to your exact needs. So whether you're looking for a generic tool or something more specialized, Prepair.dev gives you that freedom to adjust settings and fine-tune how the AI works for you. Finally, you might be asking, is it worth the hype? After trying out thousands of AI softwares, I can confidently say that Prepair.dev does more than just check the boxes. It delivers real value. The combination of ease of use, versatility, and security makes it a standout in the crowded AI space. Before we wrap up, make sure you check the first link in the description for your free trial of Prepair.dev. If you want to explore other powerful AI tools, I've also included a list of my personal favorites that you can try for free. With so many AI tools out there, it's rare to find one that delivers as effectively as Prepair.dev. It's new, but it's already setting a high bar for the future of AI-driven productivity.